Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make ghost makeup. First, ensure your face is clean and moisturized for the best canvas. Next, take a white cream or liquid foundation and apply it generously over your entire face and neck. You want a completely pale base. Use a makeup sponge or a large foundation brush to blend this white layer smoothly, ensuring there are no streaks or uneven patches. This foundational step is crucial for achieving that truly ethereal, ghostly pallor. Now, let's add some eerie depth. Grab a cool-toned gray or light brown eyeshadow. Use a fluffy brush to lightly contour the hollows of your cheeks, under your jawline, and along your temples. Blend this out very gently to create a gaunt, sunken look without harsh lines. For the eyes, take a dark gray or black eyeshadow and apply it around your entire eye area, blending outwards slightly to give a truly hollowed-out, spectral gaze. This creates a dramatic, shadowy effect. For your lips, you want them to appear almost colorless. Apply a very light, almost white, lipstick or even a dab of concealer to completely mute their natural color. If you're feeling extra spooky, use a small, fine brush with a tiny bit of dark eyeshadow to draw faint, wispy lines on your temples or forehead, mimicking subtle veins. Finally, lightly dust your entire face with a translucent setting powder. This will help reduce any shine and ensure your ghostly look lasts for many hours. To complete your ghostly transformation, consider your hair. You can style it to be messy and disheveled, as if you've just risen from the grave, or pull it back tightly for a stark, severe appearance. A little hairspray or dry shampoo can add texture and volume if you're going for a wilder look. Finally, choose light-colored, flowing, or even tattered clothing to complement your makeup. With these finishing touches, you'll embody a truly convincing and chilling spectral presence, ready to haunt any gathering.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.